Now, I've set up a video presentation for you to watch on this monitor. Now, on screen we will be looking at the loosely packed atomic structure of a liquid.